If you don't know how to set up a live server on vscode, then you are in correct video, and go to your installation store in vscode and search the live server, and you can install it. Takes some times to launch it. Yeah, install it, and then go to your files in web application, any type of html css file. How to check live server working or not. Then go to the live servers. In the down option, you can show the sometimes text and launching. It's already launched, and you can in type of browser you have it launched on the browser, and you can show any changes in live. You can watch, and you work on your web apps. Thanks for watching. You can any types of in video you can comment in guide type of help, and subscribe for any type of VS Code or related videos.